Fredrik, take it away.
Shot of cocaine and I shot my woman down. Went right home and I went to bed. I stopped at 11:44 beneath my head. This morning and I grabbed that gun. I took a shot of cocaine and away I run. Made a good run, but I run too slow. They all took me down in Shores, Mexico. The hot joints, taking the pills. It was the sheriff from Cherryville. He said, Willie, your name is not Jack Brown. You're the dirty hack that shot your woman down. I said, yes, my name is Willie Lee. If you got a warrant, just read it to me. Shot her down because she made me slow. I thought I was her daddy, but she had 5 more. When I was arrested, I was dressed in black. They put me on the train and they took me back. Had no friend, for they broke my bail. They slapped the dried up carcass in that county jail. My child again, where I was held by 12 honest men. Just before the jury started out, I saw the little judge come in to look about. In about 5 minutes, he walked a man, holding his hurting in his right hand. The hurting ran to the first degree. I hollered, Lord, and Lordy, have mercy on me. The judge smiled as he picked up his pen. 99 years in the Folsom Pen. 99 years underneath that mound. I can't forget the day I shot that bad bitch down. Come on, you gotta listen on to me. Lay off that whiskey and